Dear students, very pleasant morning. Once again, welcome back to the biology class through this e-learning platform. We are learning unit number 20, reaching the age of adolescence. In the previous classes, we learnt what is meant by adolescence and puberty. Now, in this video, we are going to learn the role of hormones in reproduction. To understand the role of hormones, first of all, you should know what is a hormone. A hormone is a chemical substance produced by the endocrine glands. In our body, one of the coordinating systems is called endocrine system. This system comprises of many ductless glands called endocrine glands. They control and coordinate all the activities of our body by their secretions called hormones. Here you can see few endocrine glands such as pituitary gland, thyroid gland, pancreas, adrenal gland, etc. Pituitary gland secretes growth hormone, thyroid gland secretes thyroxine, pancreas secretes insulin, adrenal gland secretes adrenaline, etc. These hormones control and coordinate the overall growth and development of our body. There are some hormones such as androgen, estrogen, progesterone, which have masculinizing, feminizing, and gestational effects respectively in our body. They are the main hormones that regulate reproduction. These hormones are secreted from gonads, which are called as gonads. The reproductive organs such as testes in males, ovaries in females are called as gonads. Here you can see testes in the male reproductive system and ovaries in the female reproductive system. The testes releases androgen and the ovaries release estrogen and progesterone. Secretion of these hormones are regulated by anterior lobe of pituitary gland. Here you can see the location of pituitary gland. The pituitary gland consists of two lobes. Here you can see the picture. The anterior lobe of the pituitary gland is called adenohypophysis. The adenohypophysis secretes two hormones called as luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. I repeat, luteinizing hormone LH and follicle stimulating hormone FSH. In male and female, the reproductive behavior and reproduction are mainly under the control of LH and FSH. Now let us see the functions of FSH and LH. First we will see what is the role of follicle stimulating hormone in female. The follicle stimulating hormone acts on the ovary and helps in the development of Graafian follicle. This is the ovary. Here you can see the follicles. Follicle is a special tissue in which the egg or ovum grows. And also, FSH stimulates the ovary to produce estrogen. We know that estrogen has feminizing effect. In male, the same hormone, that is FSH, is helpful for the development of seminiferous tubules and for spermatogenesis. Here you can observe the seminiferous tubules in the testes. The male gametes, sperms, are produced in the seminiferous tubules. The process of formation of sperms inside the testes is known as spermatogenesis. Now let us see how LH acts in female. LH, luteinizing hormone, helps in maturation of the Graafian follicle, ovulation, and secretion of progesterone. Here you can see the follicles grow slowly. Finally, it gets mature. Then, release of ovum takes place. The follicle becomes empty after the ovulation, that is called corpus luteum. This corpus luteum secretes progesterone, which is gestational in function. In male, the LH stimulates interstitial cells of testes and the secretion of testosterone. Here you can see the seminiferous tubules and interstitial cells. LH stimulates interstitial cells to secrete testosterone. So, LH is also known as interstitial cell stimulating hormone. The anterior lobe of the pituitary gland secretes another hormone called prolactin. It is also known as lactogenic hormone. Its main function is milk secretion during lactation. The next hormone is oxytocin. Oxytocin causes expulsion of milk from the breast and also helps in contraction of uterus during childbirth. Till now, we have discussed various hormones such as androgen, estrogen, progesterone, follicle stimulating hormone, and luteinizing hormones and their role in reproduction. Thank you. Have a nice day.